Being organized at home is not just about cleaning once in a while, but about the small daily habits that consistently keep a space functional, calm, and easy to live in. Organized people follow simple routines every day that prevent clutter from building up in the first place instead of waiting for things to become messy. These habits are usually small and easy to do, but they have a big impact on how clean and peaceful a home feels over time. Instead of letting tasks pile up, organized people handle small cleaning or arranging tasks as they go throughout the day. In this video, we will go through 7 simple daily habits that organized people consistently do to keep their homes clean and well-maintained. Organized people usually start their day by resetting their space, making sure their home feels clean and ready before they fully begin their daily activities. This usually begins with simple actions like making the bed, which instantly makes the room look more structured and put together. After that, they quickly remove any visible clutter, such as clothes, cups, or small items left from the night before. This small routine helps prevent the feeling of disorder from carrying over into the rest of the day. By resetting their space every morning, organized people create a fresh environment that supports focus and productivity throughout the day. Organized people are very intentional about flat surfaces like tables, counters, and shelves, making sure these areas are not used as temporary storage for random items. Instead of dropping things on the nearest surface, they immediately return items to their proper storage locations after use. This prevents clutter from slowly building up, since surfaces are kept clear throughout the entire day, not just during cleaning time. Even when they are busy, they still make small efforts to avoid leaving items scattered on visible surfaces. Over time, this habit keeps the home visually clean and makes it easier to maintain organization without large cleaning sessions. Organized people don't wait for messes to pile up because they understand that small spills, dirt, or clutter are easier to handle when dealt with immediately. Instead of postponing cleaning tasks, they quickly wipe surfaces, fix small disorganization, or return items to their proper place right away. This prevents small issues from turning into bigger cleaning jobs that take more time and effort later on. It also helps maintain a sense of order throughout the day because the home never gets to a point where things feel out of control. Over time, this habit makes cleaning feel effortless because there is never a large buildup of mess to deal with. One key habit of organized people is that they always return items to their proper place immediately after using them instead of leaving them out for later. This simple action prevents items from slowly spreading across tables, chairs, and other surfaces in the home. By consistently putting things back, every item maintains a clear and predictable location that is easy to remember. This habit also reduces time spent searching for things because everything always returns to the same place. Over time, this creates a home where order is maintained naturally without needing constant deep cleaning. Organized people don't wait for cleaning days because they set aside a short 10 to 15-minute routine each day to quickly reset and tidy their home. This short routine focuses only on visible clutter-like items on tables, clothes on chairs, or objects left in common areas. Because it is done daily, it prevents mess from building up into a larger, more overwhelming cleaning task. This habit keeps the home consistently presentable without needing long hours of deep cleaning sessions. Over time, these small daily efforts create a naturally organized home that feels easy to maintain every day. Organized people pay close attention to the items entering their home because they understand that clutter often starts when belongings accumulate faster than they are removed. Many of them follow a simple one-in, one-out habit, where bringing something new into the home means removing something old that serves a similar purpose. This prevents storage spaces from becoming overcrowded and helps maintain a more balanced amount of belongings over time. Instead of constantly expanding the number of possessions they own, organized people regularly evaluate what is still useful and what is no longer needed. Over time, this habit keeps the home from becoming overcrowded and makes it much easier to stay organized without constant decluttering. One of the most effective habits organized people follow is doing a quick home reset before going to bed so they never wake up to yesterday's mess. Rather than leaving dishes, clutter, or misplaced belongings for the next day, they spend a few minutes returning everything to its proper place. This simple routine prevents small messes from accumulating overnight and helps the home stay consistently organized throughout the week. It also makes mornings feel less stressful because the home already feels clean, orderly, and ready for the day ahead. Over time, this nightly reset becomes a powerful habit that helps maintain an organized home with very little effort. Being organized at home is not about being perfect every day, but about following small habits consistently enough that clutter never has a chance to take over. Each of these habits may only take a few minutes, but together they create a home that feels cleaner, calmer, and much easier to maintain. Over time, these daily routines reduce stress, save cleaning time, and help prevent clutter from building up in the first place. The goal is not to spend more time cleaning, but to create simple systems that make staying organized feel natural and effortless. By practicing these habits every day, you can create a home that feels more organized, more functional, and more enjoyable to live in.